Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove the green screen on CapCut application or website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and open the browser that you're gonna use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you open your browser, just go to the URL section and type capcut.com and hit the enter button. That for me, it's gonna take me to this page, but for you, if it's your first time, you'll not find this. You'll find an option to open the CapCut on the browser, or another option to download it on your PC. Of course, if you want to know how to download this on your PC, you'll find a video on this channel on how to do that. Go check it out. And then at the top right corner here, you'll find two options. One is log into your account, and one to create your account. You can even create your account with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you actually create your account and log into it, or just log into your account if you already have one, you will find this as your home or as your main page here. So from here, you'd like to click at blank canvas right here, and you will need to wait until it loads correctly. So of course, if you have it on your PC, you'll not need to wait anything. It's much smoother if you have if you download it on your PC. So for me, I'm just going here to upload a file or a video. So once it's uploaded, all I need to do, just go to this video right here and drag it into this area right here. So of course, if I want to remove the green screen, as we said in the beginning of the video, simply we'll need first of all to select this video right here. And from here, I would like to go here at the top right corner. I'll find several options right here. Make sure to do not select this basic. Make sure to select this remove background. So of course, here make sure to select this option, or to enable this option, which is the auto cut out, so only supports auto recognition of portraits. Of course, if you have the green screen, make sure it will remove your green screen for you. For me, I don't have it, so I'm just going to select cancel. And for you, when you finish, just go and export your video and you'll be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.